We have ice cream in the freezer, egg salad in the refrigerator, and we have soup that we're pouring into the bowl that we can take with us, portable, on a picnic, at a park, beach, and more. And that's what it looks like with the ice cream and the egg salad, as well as the soup, which won't spill. We're reviewing BOROHOUSE. It's a glass Tupperware unit system. As we open up the box to show you how nicely presented and packaged, we're going to be demonstrating putting in items to the Tupperware. They have plastic film protected. They're easily removable with a O-ring on particular ones. Take off all film. And on the cap, we have here is a breathable area. The top is made of plastic. The O-ring for sealing, and the glass protected for the first time. As we remove the second one, and two identical ones, smaller than the first round bowl, and larger of the first one in square. We have a 6 set. By opening up, removing each of the sets. We have all the bowls here measuring from the outside diameter 5 1/4 and the height 2 1/2, 3 inches. And the opening of the bowl, the actual diameter from inside to inside is 4 1/2 inches. We have here 6 inches by up to 3 inches. And the inside diameter of the unit measures 5 inches by about 2 1/2 inches in height or so. Then we have the rectangular bowls. From the small diameter bowl measures 6 inches by 4 inches, 7 inches by 5 inches, 8 inches by 6 inches, and 8 1/2 inches by 6 1/2 inches. Opening up each of the bowls, inside diameter of each of the bowls 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches, 6 inches by 4 inches, 7 inches by 5 inches, 8 inches by 6 inches about. Each of the bowls fit inside one another. Able to store the unit away while taking each of the covers and placing on top. We have some items in the glass Tupperware. Cereal. We have an open air vent. We have M&Ms. Garlic. Cookies. Chicken wings. These are just some of the things you could put in your Tupperware. The Tupperware, you can add water. Close the lid. And it's leak proof. Soup, drinks, cereal, milk, and more. The products are BPA safe, frozen, and microwavable. Put meals, side servings, and more in each individual dish. We have ice cream in the freezer, egg salad in the refrigerator, and we have soup that we're pouring into the bowl that we can take with us, portable, on a picnic, at a park, beach, and more. And that's what it looks like with the ice cream and the egg salad, as well as the soup, which won't spill. These are oven ready without the lids, up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and in the freezer to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. These are extra strength glass. They are not drop proof, but more secure. These are the Tupperware 6-piece. They comes in makes and sizes. Check online for further detail about your product.